In this video, I will give you brief introductions about trigonometry, and it will be the very basic principles that normally apply to right angle triangle only. So it will be of the level of secondary school educations. Okay. So first of all, we will deal with all the trigonometric functions in right angle triangle only. Okay. So our triangle will always be 90 degree. Suppose A, B and C. So triangle is right angled at B. Suppose. Okay. Now let me introduce you some trigonometric functions. They are sine, cos and tan. Okay. Sine, cos and tan. There are mainly 6 trigonometric ratios. I have mentioned 3 trigonometric ratios here: sine, cos and tan, and another 3 are cosec, sec and cot. Okay, and I'm writing theta, that is angle here. Okay, theta, 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 theta. So basically what these trigonometric functions do, it normally establishes relations between angle and distance. That is what they do. And how they establish that relations, we will talk about it in the later sections of the video. Okay. And another things, this theta, we will always use at the acute angle. Acute angle, that is angle less than 90. So this theta, we will keep either here or here. Both are acute angles. So we will use this theta either here or here, not here. Okay, not here. Okay. One more thing, I will teach you how to remember the formula of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay. So actually sine theta is what? Opposite by hypo. Cos theta is adjacent by hypo. Tan theta opposite by adjacent. But I will teach you how to remember it. Okay. Initially you use this trick. Later on you will understand it. You will remember it yourself. Okay. When you will practice enough. So here you write like you are calling to Alexa, that is hi, hello Alexa, and Alexa responds to you as over and out. That is what it replies. Okay, I don't know whether it makes sense or not, but just to remember this, okay, use this trick. Okay, so this one is what? Sine theta, that is O by H. O means opposite, opposite, O by H. H means hypo. So sine, what is the formula of sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is A? A means adjacent, adjacent. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, A by H, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan theta is O by A, that is opposite by adjacent. Okay, so you can remember these 3 formulas, okay, by remembering this. Okay, O by H, A by H and O by A. Okay. Now if we talk about cosec, so what is cosec? Cosec is, remember this, cosec is reciprocal of sine theta. Reciprocal of sine theta. So cosec theta is what? Hypo by opposite. Sec theta is, if cos theta is A by H, then sec theta is H by A, that is hypo by adjacent. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So if you remember this, hi, hello, Alexa, over and out, then you can remember all these 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, that how they are related with the distance. Okay. Now one more thing you have to remember is how you will identify in the triangle what is opposite, what is adjacent and what is hypotenuse. That you should remember. It is very important and many students get confused in that. Okay. So let us understand how we will identify hypo, opposite and adjacent. Suppose I am writing here sine A. Sine A. Sine A is what? Opposite by hypo. So I will write here opposite by hypo. So now my angle is A. A is my angle. So my focus will be here. Okay. And opposite by hypo. So what is opposite of angle A? So if we see it angle A, opposite side is this, BC. Okay. So instead of opposite, I will write BC. And in denominator, hypo is written there. Okay. So what is hypo? How you will identify hypo? Hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree, right angle. Okay. Right angle is here. So this one is your hypotenuse. Okay. So AC is the hypotenuse. So I will write AC. So sine A is equal to BC by AC. Suppose I have written here cos A. So from the formula we can see that cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypo. Adjacent by hypo. Okay. So now what is adjacent to the A? Angle A is here. So what is adjacent sides to angle A? So if you observe here, we can see adjacent to the angle A, we can see two sides. One is AB and one is AC. But AC is the hypotenuse. So this option is not valid. So AB is going to be your adjacent. So AB and hypo we know opposite to the 90 degree. So that is AC. So AB by AC. Now suppose you are supposed to find sine C. Sine C. So formula of sine is opposite by hypo. Opposite by hypo. So what is the opposite to the C? Opposite to the C. See, my angle is C. So my focus will be on C. So what is opposite to the C? Opposite side of the C is this. That is AB. So opposite is AB and hypo will remain same. That is AC. Now cos C. So what I will see adjacent to the angle C. Cos C. Okay. So cos is what? Adjacent by hypo. Adjacent by hypo. So what is adjacent to the C? So adjacent sides to the C are BC and AC. But as we know, this is hypo, so this will not be considered. So what is the adjacent? BC. And which one is the hypo? Hypo will remain same. That is AC. So cos C is equal to BC by AC. One more basic thing you should understand here, that suppose in triangle two sides are given and we are supposed to find third sides, and if it is right angle triangle, then what we are going to do? Suppose in this triangle ABC, this side and this side we know, and you are supposed to find its sine. Okay, so we are going to use Pythagoras theorem here. And what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is one side you write the square of hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse in this triangle? AC, because it is opposite to the right angle. So AC is what? Hypotenuse. So one side you write the square of hypotenuse, and another side of the equal to, you write the remaining two sides, that is AB and BC. AB and BC. You square them and add them. Okay. So what Pythagoras says actually, it says that the the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of another two sides. Okay, so it is a bit difficult to remember by word, but you just remember this, that at one side you write the square of hypotenuse, and on another side you write another two sides squares and add them. Okay, so that is Pythagoras theorem. So these all are the basics to understand the trigonometry.